Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I thought it'd be a really good day to do like a Sunday get my life together day, get my crap together day. There's just a lot of stuff that I want to get done today to set this week up for a really good week. A lot of stuff to get done around the house, go grocery shopping. It's like 11 o'clock now. I'm just finishing my cup of coffee and I just got my video edited for today. I just want to like get it up now because it's been almost a week since I last uploaded. So I spent the morning just editing that video and it's uploading right now, so that'll be up soon. And then we just have like some errands to run and some stuff to get done. As soon as this finishes uploading, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. Video is almost up and we're getting ready to leave. I just put in a load of laundry before we leave the house. We're gonna go run some errands. We have to do like grocery shopping. That's always like our Sunday thing. And there's just like a couple other things, a couple other places that I want to go today. But I got all ready. I just put on like a little bit of makeup and just like fixed the ends of my hair. Threw on a little outfit and we're gonna head out the door. Start the day. Got my water, can't leave the house without it. Eddie just started the dishwasher. We're good to go. First stop of the day.
Oh God.
Wedding shopping. Woohoo!
Oh God.
We're just kind of looking. We were looking for like wedding stuff or just looking for fun because we've never been to at home, but I found these cute little, they're like little pink dishes. How cute are those? They have like the whole set and then they have the box down here. I want those. Those are so cute, don't you think?
Yeah.
And they have like even tan, like it'd look cute like with all these colors. They have like a gray, blue, pink, like a bunch of neutrals. That'd be so cute. I found all the wedding stuff, or at least it's like a little section of wedding stuff, but like look how cute these are. Little Mr. and Mrs. signs, like back of the chair. Oh, those ones are so cute. I think these looks, there's no bride one though. Only groom, but that'd be so cute to just like hang on the back of the chair. We just got done at home looking for some stuff. My mom and I went to Hobby Lobby not that long ago and got some stuff for the wedding, a lot of flowers and stuff, but I just wanted to look at home because we haven't been there before. They have like a bunch of house decor stuff and also some flower stuff. So since we already did some shopping for florals, I just wanted to like look there and see if they had anything else, and we didn't get anything.
Hi, what can I get for you?
We made the executive decision to go get some coffee. It's like 1 o'clock right now and we still have a lot of work and stuff to do. We're still running errands, but like after we're done, we still have a bunch of homework and stuff to do. So we got some coffee now. I just got a hot coffee. I got a medium hot coffee with caramel and almond milk. So I got this to give me energy for our Sunday. Eddie got his usual iced Americano with Splenda. Is it good?
Strong.
Is it? It's been quite a little while. We got back from all of our errands. It's like almost, it is 5 o'clock actually right now. So there's still a lot to get done, but that's okay. I just always feel like once it hits 5 o'clock in the wintertime, like the day's over, but it's not. So we have lots of time to get everything else done because I want to get everything ready for the week. But I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I got when we were like out running some errands and picking some stuff up because I'm excited about it. So I'll show you real quick what I got from Old Navy. You guys kind of saw I start my student teaching this week, not like my full-time student teaching, but like your pre-student teaching type thing. So since I'll be in an actual school system, I can't wear jeans. Last semester when I was in the preschool, I could just wear jeans with no holes and like that was perfectly fine. This time, that's not the case. Like I got to dress professional and I quickly realized that I have like no professional clothes at all whatsoever. So I stopped at Old Navy because they have the best cheap, nice dress clothes just to get like a couple basics. I won't be in the field every day, so I like am able to, I don't know, I don't have to have a ton of outfits is what I'm trying to say. So I just got a couple things just to like get me started with, because I just don't have anything. I just needed a couple basic things just to like get me through, and I got all this stuff on clearance, so it was super good price. If I can find any of it online, I'll link it down below for you guys, because I am really excited. It was literally like 30 bucks for all this stuff, so that was super good. The first thing that I got is this little velvet sweater. It has like these balloon type sleeves, and they're like kind of go up. They don't fit your whole arm. They kind of like fit a little short. I'm sure you guys saw from earlier, but it's just like a really nice cream color, and I thought it would be really nice just like tucked into a pair of basic dress pants. I have a pair of like bluish dress pants that I thought this would look really nice with. It's just like something really nice, really comfy, but still looks like professional and nice. I got this sweater, which I just feel like everybody has to have a sweater like this. It's just an oatmeal color, just has like a small V-neck in the front with one of those like little line things going down the back and the front and the back. I got this in a large, so it would be a little bit oversized, because I have these dress pants from Old Navy that I got from Christmas, and they're kind of like a legging type material, but they look like dress pants, but I just want to have something to cover my butt if I'm wearing those pants. And so I got this in a large so that it would cover my butt, so I can wear my dress pants that are like leggings, still look cute, still look professional, and wear this on top. The last thing that I got for myself is this shirt. I don't have any like really nice like dressy blouse type shirts like at all. I don't think I own a single one. So I found this, and it's in a really, really pretty pale like dusty pink color. This is seriously like my favorite color. So when I saw this, had to get it. This is also really, really long. I think this is in a medium. Yeah, this is long so that it'll cover my butt also, so I can wear those same dress pants with this top. And I just feel like it's just like a really easy dress shirt. Like I don't really have to make it look dressy. Like it just kind of looks dressy, and it's just like a really nice basic to have. I'm sure I'll be able to like put a cardigan over this if I want to, or open it up and wear like a V-neck underneath or something like that. So I thought it would be a really nice thing to do a bunch of different ways with. And then I got Eddie a shirt because he found a shirt that he wanted, and so I just bought it for him. It's just like a little graphic tee. So that's all the stuff that I got from Old Navy. I think it's like a super good start. I just needed some basic things to get me started for this week. And then I ran to Ulta. I just got 2 things from Ulta. This is my favorite self-tanner. Literally use it like at least once a week, if not twice a week. It's the St. Morris tanning stuff. I've been using this since at least the summertime. I have it in the shade dark. I literally am obsessed with this stuff, and I ran out and I needed to get some ASAP. So highly recommend you guys try this out. Last thing I got is this little lip gloss thing. It's like a lip plumper. I've been wanting a lip plumper for the longest time, and then I saw my friend Julia, I think, talking about this exact one, I think. And then just the other day I was watching my other friend on YouTube, Brittany's video. I think she was talking about the Buxom one, but she was talking about a lip plumper, and I was like, okay, I just need to go get one. So I saw this in the checkout line at Ulta, and I was like, this is my time to just like try it out and give it a shot. So this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, and it's supposed to like plump your lips pretty much and make them feel moisturized. I love to just like wear like clear chapstick or like a clear glossy chapstick type thing. So I thought this would be really nice because it's just a clear shade. I just thought it'd be really fun to try out and like see what it does. The smell of this reminds me of those lip glosses that I used to have like when I was in like middle school, those lip smackers, like watermelon lip glosses. That's exactly what this smell reminds me of, and it is like majorly bringing me back. I don't know, it smells really good. It feels really good. It feels like a chapstick, which I love because I don't like to wear lipstick really or anything. I just like the feeling of a chapstick on my lips. It just looks like I have chapstick onto me, which I love. So that's cool, fun to try out. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got besides like groceries and stuff that we got, which I'm not going to show you guys. I'm just going to go put that stuff away. My bed is still a mess because I am in the middle of washing our sheets. I had an assignment due at 5 o'clock, so as soon as we got back from shopping, I like hurried and did that stuff and submitted it so that I could be like good to go. So I'm gonna go downstairs and put away the groceries because those have not been put away yet. Also, my lips are definitely tingling now. Like I can so feel it.
Excuse me. Jeez. So this right here.
They want to see me anyways. Not you.
You're blocking the montage.
No, this is about me now. One scoop of protein. Because I worked out. Did you work out today?
No. I will tomorrow. I just got done doing some planning for next week, just like the first couple days in the week, just so I have an idea of what all I want to get done, and wrote down a little sticky note of what all I still need to get done today. I pretty much just need to get some like cleaning stuff done, and then I have a couple homework assignments that I would like to get done tonight so I don't have to do them this week. So that's my little sticky note of stuff to do. I just have on the diffuser. I feel like I haven't talked about this in quite a while, but I'm so obsessed with it. Whenever I'm sitting at my desk doing my homework, I put lavender essential oil in my little diffuser. So relaxing to me. The lighting's all funky, but sometimes when I'm doing my homework back here, I get really stressed, or if I'm like trying to figure out all the stuff that I have to get done, or just like anything, I get really stressed and really overwhelmed. So having this diffuser, although it doesn't like completely help it, it just is very relaxing. Like I just have come to really enjoy the smell of lavender, and it's just like very soothing to me. I like having it on back here at my desk while I'm working, so I have that going. So I got done my planning for the week. I need to clean up this. I need to like do the laundry, make the bed, all that stuff. I still have one more load in the dryer right now, but that's like getting finished up. I always like to do my laundry on Sundays, and then I'd like to clean my room tonight. My camera battery is getting ready to die, but I wanted to see, Eddie was doing my meal prep for me. Normally we like split up the cleaning in the room in my bathroom. We like split it up between the two of us, but I told him that I would do the cleaning if he did the meal prepping. So this looks like the chicken that he meal prepped for me, and then we always do hard-boiled eggs, and then this is like his stuff. He has some veggies, and I'm assuming he has some chicken or something somewhere. But this is my stuff for the week, and then I'm gonna try, I got like a bunch of salad stuff, so I'm gonna try and have salads with the grilled chicken on it for my lunches and dinners. We will see how that goes, but the meal prep is done at least, so we don't have to worry about that. Just need to like get the stuff upstairs taken care of and cleaned up.